Hello everyone, NIGHTHAWKk here, and today I'm gonna do a short video. This is about who having the issues of the FPS in Apex Legends or any stutters or jitters. Main thing is the internet connectivity should be good, and apart of that, if you have any FPS issue or any stutters in the game, now this thing will fix that issue. And this thing is that you have to uninstall the drivers and install the new drivers, even from the Nvidia or from the AMD, depend on your card. So let's start. For that purpose, we need to go for the run and type msconfig. I have already typed it, enter, and go to the boot options. There you'll see the save boot. Click on that and click apply and click OK. Now you'll pop up restart and without restart. You have to do the restart button. Before that, I'll save this video. Alright, as we entered into the save boot, now I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use to uninstall the drivers. Now here is the folder mine. It's a DDU uninstaller. Don't worry, I will upload this in a drive and I will give the link in the description. Now here you can see the display driver uninstaller. Now click as run as admin. Now you'll see this window. In this, select what GPU. In this you'll see the clean and restart, clean and do not restart, and clean and shut down. The first thing we have to choose is the clean and restart. Before that, I will turn off, I will uncheck the box of save boot. If not, it will go into the boot loop, and click on apply, click on OK, exit without restart. Make sure your internet connectivity is disconnected. If not, the Windows 10 will be downloading the drivers automatically. So my internet connection is disconnected, and now I'm clicking on click and restart. As you can see, it will be uninstalling all the drivers of Nvidia. There we go. It will be restarting our PC now. Alright guys, so our system is booted now. Now you can see my internet is disconnected because if I connect it to the internet, it will be downloading the drivers automatically. Now there is no drivers or anything. You can say there is no Nvidia or anything. I'm using the RTX 2060. Now I downloaded the drivers before. Make sure you have also downloaded the drivers before installing it. Before doing the steps, you have to download this driver and click on run as admin. And click on run. So here it goes. It's a 456.38. Click on agree and continue. After that, here you'll get two options. One is express and one is the custom. Make sure you choose the custom because it's very good. And it will be clean installation. Click on perform clean install. You can see this. This was unticked. You need to just tick this and click on next. That's it. Your drivers are gonna be installed. Okay. This takes some time. I will continue the video from the Nvidia ShadowPlay. Let's go there. Alright guys, after successfully installing the drivers, we are just gonna test the game, and I have already tested the game and there is no any issues like stutters or FPS drop, not like the previous. I can't show you the previous video because even in the previous drivers it was working for me. It's very fine. But before that, I played I think in the season 6 starting, I had so many issues with the game. I can't able to run the game. It was like stuttering a lot and the frame rate was dropping like hell. Now everything is fixed using this steps, and hope this also fixed for you, and enjoy the gameplay. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this supports you and it helped you a lot. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Let's make a choice. Land here. Dropping in. Hang on.
on that. GG guys, GG. Woo. On this. So here I play the game and I have seen no issues in this game.
You are the Apex champions.
We won the match too.